Alright, so this is how to put in the lights of the LED frog. First, you need to unfold everything, so that way you see the two holes going through. Then take one of your LED lights and put it through the hole, bending one of them down, and then do the same with the other LED light that you have. Then once you have bent both of these down, you need to cross the paths on the inside. Then you take some of the silver tape that you have here and cut it to 1/2 inch, just like so. And then you unpeel it on the bottom and tape the two pieces together. Just like this. Alright, so next you have to take your battery and place it on top of the tape. Then with the electrical tape that you have cut, tape the bottom half of the battery to the paper, making sure that it's still touching the two ends of the LED lights. Then with the top part of your LED, you have to bend them so they're next to each other, just like this. And then take a little 1/2 inch piece of the silver tape and wrap it around the two ends. Like so. Then you could refold everything, making sure that the two ends of the LEDs are on the bottom of the triangle fold. And then you refold your frog just like it was. And then if you press it, the lights turn on.